In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Fire TV stick not working. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, what you basically just want to go ahead and do, if it's not working, try and plug it into a different HDMI port because it might just be a detection issue, and then go ahead and see if it works. Now, what you want to do on your TV, so I have a Samsung TV right now, but whatever you're on, all you want to do is go to your connected devices section and switch your Fire TV stick. Make sure it's switched to the right input. For example, mine shows Amazon Fire TV stick, but yours might show something different. So if you switch from like HDMI 1 to the HDMI 2 or 3 port, you want to go ahead and find that and then go ahead and click on that as well. Now, let's say if the internet's not working or anything like that whenever you're using your Amazon Fire TV stick, go ahead and try your internet on another device because it could be an issue for your internet in general and not just the Fire TV stick. So go ahead and check that. And if it's still buggy, what you want to do is go over to your settings like so, and you're going to see a lot of different options, but just go over to My Fire TV, enter your PIN. Once you've entered your PIN, it's going to look like this. All you want to do is go to About, then go to Install Update. This will fix any bugs or issues that you're having, and then again, providing that your internet's actually working, and then you'll be able to use all of your apps like Prime Video, YouTube, all of that stuff. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.